You want to play soccer?
Yeah.
Where's your soccer ball, Max?
Oh, soccer ball. That's me.
No, the little soccer ball.
I don't know what that is.
Want to get on trampoline? You guys want to get on a trampoline?
Hey, take off your shoes. Take off your shoes when you go home.
You don't have to take your shoes off.
No, we wear socks on here. Just for jumping. I know. Yeah, that's just
You got to sweep it first. Sweep it.
Jump really high and then you jump off. Easy. Don't walk on this thing. You have to jump. Cannonball.
Yeah, stop it, Max.
Now we
Stop it. But Max has to stop bouncing everybody. He's being the bully now. Okay, now let him try. You stand still and you can bounce.
We can jump at the same time.
So let him jump.
This is jump. Yeah. You can do this. Be careful.
Okay, and Max, just
His birthday is the day before yours. February 13th.
Can you say hi?
Sam, cover with two legs.
yeah, see, there you go.
I know. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, no. That's all he does.
Cannonball.
He's got a baby. His baby tooth hadn't come out, but his other tooth has.
Yeah.
And it's coming in behind it, but it's going this way. I'll have to get him to fix it or do something.
Actually, while it's coming in, have them push on it with his tongue.
I told him, you wiggle it as much as you can. Push
Push it on the direction that it needs to go. That's what the dentist told me with Julian's teeth when they started coming in.
You have fun.
Thorn's birthday's the 23rd. We're doing a costume party.
Look at the little one. He's like, oh my God.
We have a costume party at Angie's house, and if y'all want to
I'll tell you what, send me an invitation, and one of those private message things are posted on my wall or something. And then I'll call you and get directions and stuff. I recognize those
I can't do that for my brother.
There's Hulk.
I do him.
Yeah, it's the Hulk outfit.
Make a noise.
Yeah, SpongeBob outfit.
Yeah.
Can't find the pants for it though.
Well, I bought that
Or the jacket.
at Walmart. The other Hulk one, Julian.
Treadmill, get your feet.
We're going to have to fix that, Jake. We're going to have to take the springs off and redo it.
Do you recognize this? That's one of the ones you gave me.
I had a bunch of stuff. Some of it, he may read more.
Yeah.
Because he outgrew it within a month or two.
Hayden couldn't wear it because of the seasons were different with him.
Yeah, that too. Max got a lot of... I think that his brother sent him some wintry stuff in the summer. And up there, their summers are different than ours.
Yeah.
They're warmer. And by the time winter did come around, he barely fit in.
Right.
Because he grew so fast.
Well, Leland's been able to wear a lot of the stuff that you sent because I've been pulling out the bags that you sent. And I'm like, clothes are fitted.
Max, you are getting grass stains in those socks.
And white socks. Don't do that. Now you can't get up, see? showing off.
So, yeah, and I've been meaning to get by over here.
I know.
Look.
I noticed it looked like you were in a different house, and I thought maybe they got their own place.
Well, that's the thing is, Angie's sister owns 8 acres. She's having trouble with someone right now in her house. And her mom's thinking that when taxes come in, if we can get a loan for about 10, we could buy the property. We've got about 2 acres cleared off, and there's a bunch of timber that we could have select cut, and they'd come in and select cut and take money and pay us for the timber off of it. So there's about 6.5, almost 7 acres of timber, and then there's a big, like, crevice that kind of goes down, but we're thinking about buying it all the time.
After a while, we're probably going to get rid of this. So,
they got a,
if one of y'all's got a purpose something.
You can fit it in that van.
Y'all pick up those,
There's a broom there, Max. Why don't you use it?
get that broom and sweep it.
Oh, see, he'll do it.
See, Corn's going to do it.
And Max is too lazy to do it. He's like, that's alright. Move, Max.
Give me the socks, give me the socks, give me the socks.
There you go. Good job.
Thank you, Corn. That's a good boy. You help your mommy?
he tries. Caden actually helps me a lot.
They're actually good kids.
Well, at that age, Max is very helpful too. Every now and then he is. Like the cooking, he'll ask if he can help me.
But see, it helps that they've got like older models, so they want to be like their older ones, so they develop faster, you know.
But he'll go to the refrigerator and pull out the ingredients and stuff.
So like the 2-year-old.
Little blonde you're calling?
No, he's all giggles.
His is March 28th.
Oh, he's married, isn't he?
Yeah.
He was all giggles when we...
Yeah. Okay, February is what?
Oh, he's an Aquarius, like he is.
Okay.
Torrance a Libra.
He's a Libra Scorpio. He's on the cusp. He is
Max is a Sagittarius, and that one I think's an Aries. So, yeah, you and him's going to butt heads, because he's fire and you're water.
Yeah, I know.
So that's going to end up...
Oh, I know. We already butt heads. That child does not listen to me for nothing.